poppin'? I'm back at it with the Civic 1 week later, and today's mission is to clean this nasty interior, bro. I'm gonna start with taking everything out, like the floor mats and maybe the center console, and I got this cool gun. Go. See the bullets? Boom, gone, bro. No mistake, he's not out. I've never taken this out before in my life. Oh, it looks clean underneath. Oh, not bad. Not there. It's probably pressure wash my car wash, but I was lazy. Clean. 1 second. I'm back. Oh, some beer cans. Let's go. Nasty ass mats, man. Rubbermaid. Rubbermaid fam. I actually forgot it came with these. I thought it came with no mats. Better than nothing. I got a light bulb. Oh my gosh. Some wire. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Let's fucking go. A Canadian relic, man. Holy fuck. I don't even smoke. That's a crazy find, man. A whole pack of smokes. What's in here? What the fuck is this? It's like a brick. What the heck? Alright, yeah, it works. So you just grab 12 mil and you go boom, right here, both sides, and on the back. Let's see. Slide the seat forward. Ka-chow. And yeah, 12 mils. Alright, boom. That's the screws. And now the seats are out of the car, just like that. 8 bolts. Not bad. I should have recorded me just popping it out, but recording stuff is hard. I took the seats out because I'm going to pressure wash the bottom part and use an extractor to extract the seats to make them look brand new. Same with this thing. Gonna need a good pressure wash all over, make it all clean. But this interior though, man, it got some mouse droppings in it. Eee, it's so fucking sick. A little mold on the floor. Nice. I'm not wearing a mask. The Acura wheel, nice. I actually love Acuras because my first car was an Acura, so the wheel is sick. But yeah, disgusting. Disgusting. Gonna vacuum it out with my friend James. What can I do? Oh, like that. Boom. You see it? This side, all vacuumed, looking clean. This side. But yeah, this still needs extracting. I'm gonna take the whole carpet out, I think, though. I'll just wipe this door down, man. Like, look at all that. Nasty. Make it look clean, slightly. I'm surprised the pressure washer is always better for doing this stuff. But I don't really feel like busting it out right now, so. Boom. Get all those handprints from many, many years off this thing. You see that on the window? No more. Open it down, it's nasty. Clean down there. All good. Pumping some music, cleaning the car. Oh, no, it's still dirty. Still nasty. Wiping it down, man, it's gonna take forever. That's why it's good just to take stuff off and pressure wash it all. But it's hard to do that with the interior. You could just pressure wash these doors and wipe them down, I bet. Just don't get the fabric. The first time wiping. I can't even sit in the car anymore, there's no seats. This dash.
initial prime off.
You get a brush out and get in the cracks. This is crazy. Good stuff. Look at that. Fresh. Boom. Wipe down it a little bit so it looks the same. Very dirty. Gonna use some of this pearl stuff. Brings car surfaces back.
Boom, boom, boom. All right, done now. Sounds good. I need to go. Things are trying to start this. These vents, but yeah, dash. Where am I going? From angles. I'm gonna be doing it. One. See what outside. It's raining. I'm going from back in the car. That's good though. See that? Fresh. See you.
Now, I don't really use glass cleaner to clean the car, but I'm lazy right now. And I'm using the Honda glass cleaner. Me all done for today. Oh, look at that wheel. Can't believe I paid $2,000 for this. Holy fuck. That's a dirty car. Damn. What is up? What is up? I'm back. It's like 3 days later. Today I'm gonna be taking the carpet out of my car. I just got this car a week or two ago. It's a 4-door Civic 97 and I'm taking the carpet out. Part 2. I cleaned it and I think I just want to take it all out because it smells musty still. Let's see, can I get it? Can I get it first try? Big tangle, don't let me down. Got it. Boom. I took that thing out. And I should have the flash on because you can't see anything. Now, I'm losing daylight here. But I'm pretty sure. Okay, I might have to take something out. I forget how I did it on my Civic. Civic has a stripped interior. Let's see. We're learning together. Okay, instead of forcing shit, like I was just doing. Boom! Yeah, it was a clip. Got it off. Yeah, that was getting in the way of this all smoothly. It's hard to do this and record, but oh no, it doesn't want to pop out, but it was going before. All right, boom. Dusty, but that's out. I guess this just fell off, so that too. I feel like you have to take out the center console. By the way, the other side, done. It just comes out like smooth butter after you've done one side. That's the fun thing with these Hondizis. Once you've worked on one, you're good, you know. And 4 screws, 2 on each side later. That's that. They're still yelling. That took some play. I'm talking these damn clips right here. Just gotta give it a good pull. Got it. Boom. The dust has settled. This interior, any rust spots? This was where the hole was on my Civic. Doesn't look like a hole, so I think we're good. My gosh, look at those mouse poops. Where's the mouse at, bro? And it's cool how this car came wired for subs. Check the other side. Nice rusty screw. Leave that right there. No holes over here, another rusty screw though. No holes, looks good to me. less rusty than my coupe that I'm restoring. There's a pen in there. Yo, it's daytime, next morning. Yeah, I took the seat out. That, mega grubby. Mega gross in here. Taking out that ECU. This 10 mil. I think there's another bolt somewhere. Maybe not. No, that shit just came right off. We're all good. Do you even clean under the carpet when you're cleaning your car? Do you even? You're gonna find a whole lot of dust. What the hell? I'm just saying. That's a crazy amount of grasshoppers. What the heck? Smells so bad. Yeah, this engine bay, it needs cleaning. That's for sure. Boom. Got the pressure washer, ting. Go wide angle. Boom. Boom. Got this ting. Get the foam, right? Oh man, this is gonna suck. Spray that foam in there. Oh man. Try not to get. Oh shit, hit that door. Need this replacing anyway. Foam. Clean. So clean. I walk over here. This is craziness, by the way. Brush thing. Zoom out. Hey, see this? Get the brush out. Same thing, all over. This stuff. The quick detailer. Boom. Shiny. Gotta let it dry out for a day. And then it'll be real good. Now I just gotta clean all this over here and finish this. We good. Boom. Another day working on the Hondeezy. I pressure washed the carpet real good yesterday. And it's not bad. My last one on this thing, mad dirty. It had like dirt all over this part, so it's looking clean. I don't know what those are though. Some burns. Real dirt, real dirty. Cups. But yeah, I don't know. It's clean. It's going back in. Woohoo! I got some sound deadening. Haven't even opened it, but gonna put some just on the floor in some places. So let's check it out. Hold up, back it up. Yeah, I'm vacuuming. Took some of this sound deadening off. Oh shit. You see that? Yeah, I was putting some on too. But yeah, officer. Yeah, I'd like to call the police. We have a breach. What the heck? Dang, son. What shaggy old fuck? Now, I've uncovered it. It's just on this side. I didn't look at that side, but that side's fine. It's good. It's just the driver's side because of this little hole. But my solution is I'm gonna spray it with rust converter. Just boom, hole no more. I'm not even gonna really try if this had more. It's not covering the hole. And then you just get this big slab, Bondo. Just shove it in there. Oh, it's already hard. No, that's not good. And just like that, the hole has been patched. I just went for supper, but I'm back and the hole is patched. And now I'm just gonna put some nice sound deadening on it and put the carpet back in. Beautiful. Okay, it's nighttime, so my camera's doing me dirty, but oh my gosh. It looks so nice in here. It looks like a spaceship. I'm Young Jag. And welcome, MTV Cribs, to my spaceship. Oh, damn.